Hello and welcome to this video, the 2025 Pharmaceutical Innovation Index. The pharmaceutical industry in 2025 is one defined by difference. Leaders across the board have found their own unique path to success, whether it's groundbreaking scientific innovation or sharp acquisitions or even therapeutic specialization. The updated Pharmaceutical Innovation Index reveals how leading companies such as AstraZeneca, Moderna, and Novartis excel by balancing high-impact R&D with commercialization excellence, while others such as Boehringer Ingelheim and GSK thrive through targeted buyouts or therapeutic focus. There are 4 key takeaways from our analysis. First, innovation and invention. We see clear segmentation within the industry based on innovation and invention output, creating for distinct clusters. The high innovation and invention leaders, companies like AstraZeneca, Moderna, and Novartis, who dominate with both strong pipelines and rapid commercialization. Think of Moderna's mRNA platform or AstraZeneca's oncology breakthroughs. Then the balanced performers insertion score, firms like Boehringer Ingelheim and Gilead, who show steady pipeline integration but fewer disruptive inventions. Their strength lies in life cycle management and small, but important advancements. Next, the challenged innovators. These are companies like Biogen and Otsuka, which face pipeline stagnation or commercialization hurdles, signaling a need to realign strategy. And lastly, the low innovation and invention companies, which include firms like Pfizer and Sanofi. These companies lack both robust pipelines and strong commercial performance. They need to either transform or risk falling further behind. Second, strategic consistency. Our analysis highlights how firms such as AstraZeneca, Vertex, and Regeneron have sustained their positions over time by sticking closely to clearly defined strategies. AstraZeneca's 6 rupees framework: right target, right patient, right tissue, right molecule, right dose, right route has driven disciplined drug development, ensuring high success rates in clinical trials and commercial success. Vertex's focus on niche markets, such as cystic fibrosis, has allowed them to build deep expertise and create a sustainable competitive advantage, enabling them to remain a leader in this space for over a decade. Similarly, Regeneron's R&D-centric model has insulated them from acquisition dependence, allowing them to focus on developing their proprietary biologics and gene editing technologies, which have yielded multiple successful products. Third, portfolio strategy. Our analysis reveals the main approaches to building a successful portfolio: acquisitions and R&D. Companies like Bristol Myers Squibb have supplemented their internal pipelines with smart buyouts, such as their recent oncology-focused acquisitions. Meanwhile, companies like Moderna and Alnylam have prioritized building platform-based technologies such as mRNA and RNAi, which have the potential to create long-term competitive moats. Fourth, resurgence and reinvention. Despite the challenges faced by legacy pharma companies, our analysis shows that it's possible to turn things around. UCB's revival in neurology and immunology after years of underperformance demonstrates that focusing on high-potential areas can revitalize a company. Similarly, Merck's oncology pivot from being a diversified pharma company to one focus on the blockbuster drug 𝗜𝗡𝗅𝗏 shows that adaptive leadership can steer a company to new heights. In conclusion, there is no single formula for success in the pharmaceutical industry. Our analysis reveals 3 types of companies that are poised for continued success. The innovation leaders like Moderna and Novartis, who thrive by taking big scientific risks and scaling breakthroughs at speed. The balanced players like GSK and Boehringer, who succeed by focusing on steady progress through lifecycle management and portfolio optimization. And the regional or niche specialists like Biogen and Vertex, who leverage focused expertise to compete against much larger rivals. 2 factors are critical to sustaining success in this dynamic market: clarity and adaptability. Companies that have a clear strategic mandate, whether through smart acquisitions, a singular R&D focus, or geographic specialization, are better equipped to thrive. And those that can adapt quickly to changing market conditions, such as Merck's move to prioritize oncology, are better positioned to stay ahead of the curve. While there are multiple paths to success in the pharmaceutical industry, there are also emerging threats and opportunities. Smaller biotech firms like Alnylam and CRISPR Therapeutics are disrupting traditional pharma with next-gen modalities. Pricing and access pressures are forcing companies to balance innovation with affordability, especially in emerging markets. And new technologies and scientific breakthroughs are constantly creating fresh opportunities for companies that are willing to invest and adapt. To stay ahead in this rapidly evolving industry, we recommend that innovators double down on high-risk, high-reward science, and challenged firms pursue partnerships or niche verticals such as rare diseases or precision medicine. For all companies, we recommend prioritizing strategic clarity. Whether through acquisitions, R&D, or geographic specialization, companies must continue to adapt and evolve in order to thrive in the dynamic pharmaceutical industry. Thank you.